Mass-produced dishes flood the scene. Slow-cooked flavors stay unseen. Some tastes just can't be rushed. Traditional dishes belong in places you don't just stumble upon. That's where Free Foodie Tour Barranco comes in. In our 3.5 hours tour, we won't Netflix up your appetite. We'll enhance it to the fringe of addiction. Bold Creole dishes. No modern twists. Just real mouth-watering flavors in very hidden local spots. Book today, enjoy tomorrow.
Free Foodie Tour Barranco, your only chance to find the grotto light. What are you waiting for?